Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Assignments. In this video, we are going to discuss a topic called as architecture of typical data mining system and the famous models which are used in data mining. So this is the layers that comes under architecture of data mining system. I'll be explaining this architecture from bottom to top. Okay. Now, you look here. This is the base level and it has many repositories where the all information is stored. The information it will be stored inside the database, data warehouse, World Wide Web and other information repositories. Okay. Now the data is coming from various sources, that is multiple sources it will be coming. So when it comes from the various sources, according to the KDD process, what I have said is the data should be cleaned, the data should be integrated and the required data should be selected. Okay. After that, you can see here the clean data, integrated data and selected data will go to this data warehouse server, and this data warehouse server will take the user request and whatever the data is needed by the user is fetched and given to the user. Now, data mining engine. Data mining engine, it is a layer where all data mining technique like classification, prediction, association, clustering, all such data mining technique will be done over here. Therefore, it is considered as the essential part of data mining architecture, or it's a very important component of a data mining system. After that, the interesting pattern is being obtained which is evaluated over this stage, which is the pattern evaluation stage. See, there is one more component over here which is called as knowledge base. The knowledge base is basically used to keep the reference material. It's used to guide the search. Suppose if the user gives a query to again search for the things which has already been searched, then it will be stored inside the knowledge base. It can directly obtain from that. So there will be no need to go through all these layers. Okay, that is about the knowledge base. And finally, we have a user interface. User interface is that communicate between the user and the data mining engine. So it takes the request, it gives to the data mining engine. The data mining engine does all the operations from here and it gives back the pattern to the user or give back the result to the user. Next, we are going to study the different data mining models. This is also very important to the exam point. The popular data mining models is decision tree, neural networks and naive-Bayes classifier. The first one is decision tree. So decision tree you have already studied in machine learning. Once again I am going to repeat it. With the given data, a tree is being developed. Here, each nodes will be representing the value of the attributes. Or the internal nodes will be decision making nodes. The branches will be the decision. Like here you can see it is checking the age, whether it is youth or middle-aged, senior. If it is youth, and again it is checking whether the income is high or low. At the end you can see that the leaf nodes are representing the different classes or different outputs. So here the leaf node represents the target class. Whenever you give a new data will be classified using this decision tree. The major decision trees are ID3, C4.5, CART, etc. Next is neural network. This also you have studied in machine learning. Actually, it is a network of neurons. It is mathematical representation of human brain. It consists of different layers of neurons or the nodes, and each connection between the nodes will be having a weight associated with it, and here the learning is done by updation of the weights. Okay, at the output you can see the different classes. So the data will be passed on through each layer, the weights will be changing and finally it will reach to a value and correct output has been obtained. Next is naive-Bayes classifier. Naive-Bayes classifier, it is based upon the Bayes theorem. It is supervised classification technique. The detail about naive-Bayes classification will be studied in the third module. So thank you students. Thank you for watching my video.